Today we will discuss about heart and its chamber and flow of blood through heart. So first of all, heart is not like in this shape that the people made. Okay, it is almost triangular in shape. Okay, and the upward facing part of the heart is called base. Okay, and this is apex. The downward facing part is called base. Apex. Downward facing part is called apex. Now coming to the chamber of heart, see the upper two parts. The upper part is called atrium or also known as auricle, and the lower part is called ventricle. Upper part is called atrium and lower part is called ventricle. Now divide it into these two parts, and this is a wall which divides the heart into left and right. So this wall is called septum. And this side left and this side right. So left, right, and atrium, ventricle. Now we can divide the heart into this way. Okay, in this way. So how many chambers of heart are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chambers of heart. So this is left, this is right. This is at upper two are atrium and the lower are ventricle. So we can call it left atrium and we can call it left ventricle. And this is right atrium and right ventricle. Okay, so there are 4 chambers of heart: left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. Okay, now come to flow of blood through heart. See, so left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. Okay, so deoxygenated blood, okay, that the deoxygenated means that does not carry oxygen in it. So deoxygenated blood from the body is received in right atrium. Okay, right atrium, and the blood from right atrium goes to right ventricle. The blood from right atrium goes to right ventricle. The blood from right atrium goes to right ventricle. And the blood from right ventricle, okay, it goes to lungs. This is lungs. Okay, we can. Okay, so the blood from right ventricle goes to lungs through pulmonary artery. This is artery, but it carries deoxygenated blood through pulmonary artery. The blood from right ventricle goes to lungs. Okay, so goes to lungs. On this carry deoxygenated blood. So here deoxygenated blood is there, and now in lungs it gets oxygen, and after getting oxygen, okay, it becomes oxygenated blood, and the oxygenated blood from lungs, okay, is then delivered to left atrium through pulmonary veins. So okay, the oxygenated blood from lungs is delivered to left atrium through pulmonary veins, and oxygenated blood from left atrium, it goes to left ventricle, and left ventricle pumps the blood to the whole part of body. Left ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood to whole part of the body. Okay, in this way. Okay, this is all about the